Okay, I'm here in a T-Rex with Lloyd, driving Lloyd Rose. There's Keith playing by, and here's the road. Okay, there was the road. Why'd you hit the brakes? Alright, okay. So we're at Kearney High School in San Diego, California, trying out the T-Rex prototypes, which they brought 30 from the EVS 23 Anaheim show. And, oh shit, we're gonna die. No, I'm just kidding. Here we go, making a nice turn. Oh yeah, that feels good. Took it up to 79 kilometers an hour. We'll work out the math later. We're still going. It's like a Disneyland ride.
Not a bad turning radius.
Not a problem on a turn. See what I have right here? Sweet. Oh, yeah, that felt good. You can feel the G's on the turns. Now we're going to make a hard left. Semi-hard. Oh, there it is. Now we're going towards the sun. Now this version has a complete open top, as you can see here. We are passing the prototype number 1 and a gasser. The Electric Vehicle Association of San Diego is here. Over and out.